This video is awesome. If you're stupid, do not watch it. Bye. Let's do this. I'm gonna do this right now. Dude, don't do that. You're stupid. You can like get seriously hurt and stuff, but whatever. Dude, let them do that and shut up.
I just made up a new kind of way so that I have to like put the mentos at the door in, and then this. Film this.
Epic fail.
It's my turn. Okay, now? It's
You better do kind of waste that, like, you can just get the lid out for the mentos. Just put it right in, like this thing. So pretend the things like on top of that, just go. Oh, really? Just do it. I'm gonna take it. Okay, let's see this. Let's go. Fuck.
Stop it.
Holy sh... Fuck! Fuck!
My waist is tiny.
No. I'm gonna film now. Mauricio's turn.
You wanna? I wanna take the picture. And Mexican. I never went to the United States. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Men in Black. Shit.
Let's go. Let it go.
It's so cold, yeah?
Let it go a little bit.
Come on. Hey, no, you know.
Film this shit, boy. You gotta film this shit. Damn. Let me try doing it. Can I try doing it? Film it. Okay. It's like this. I fucking love my Kindle.
I love it.
Go. Fuck. And after all, we got here. Okay, after all, we got here in time, and the police almost got us and stuff, and we're safe, I guess. Please subscribe and comment and share. It will help us a lot. Thank you.